also got the Apple Watch Ultra 3 here, so it's been an Apple day, but this will replace my Ultra 2 here. Pack these little flaps back here. Two separate things. I got the black Milanese loop, so it's one thing. And then we got the watch here. Oh yeah, it says Ultra 3, titanium case, book, nice book here. I like that piece there. Oh, not a good start there. Just kind of fell right out. But yeah, I think some of the changes this year are, this one has a, I want to say 3D printed out of a lot of recycled material casing, and so that's an interesting one. So yeah, you get the braided one with this too, but that was the first time I've ever gotten a braided cable from Apple, so pretty cool stuff. And I also actually picked up a charger as well. Well, that'll be its own video, not really related to the Apple Watch itself. So yeah, it's not, I don't think the actual device itself is bigger than the previous Ultra, but I do think the screen has been actually extended, like the screen itself, they've shaved the bezels a bit, so that's gonna be fun. Stay tuned for more content.